In this video, I'm going to show you how to categorize a transaction in Origin Financial. Let's get started. First, go to the spending section and open transactions. This is where all your financial activity is listed, including both automatic and manually added entries. Next, click the three-dot menu in the upper corner and select Add Transaction. This will open a form where you can manually input your transaction details. Start by entering the description, merchant name, amount, and date to make sure everything is accurate. As you fill out the form, you'll see a category drop-down. Click on it to browse through the available categories and select the one that best matches your transaction. If you can't find a suitable option, you can easily create a new category so your expenses stay organized exactly how you want. You can also add tags if needed to make filtering and tracking even easier later on. Once all the details are complete, click Add Transaction to save it. Your transaction will now be properly categorized and reflected in your reports and budget tracking. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.